Okay, in this video we're going to be talking about brush tool, which is so similar to our pencil tool, and we can be selecting that one from our tools in here, or even pressing P on our keyboard, and it has the same rules. We can be drawing freely like that. However, we can be setting that one to 4 points maybe, and then we can be using our pencil tool to draw maybe the same shape like this one, and it's also on 4 points, and you can see the difference in here. That one is drawn by a brush, having a brush effect, while this one having a stroke effect. So if we select our brush tool, we're going to be seeing that it's using a brush in here, and even you can be choosing from another brush like this one for another drawing effect, maybe drawing the same shape, and you're going to be seeing a calligraphic brush like this one. It will be changed according to your drawing angle, having thinner and thicker lines according to your drawing angles, as you can see. One of the great advantages about using the brush that you're seeing live feedback of your tool in here. We're going to be talking in detail later about brushes and its settings, but when it comes to our brush tool, we're going to be selecting our options from here, double clicking our tool, and we can be choosing our fidelity sensitivity from here, make it either smoother or accurate according to your drawing style. And here we have the fill new brush strokes. If you've got your path closed, it's going to be filled, and here I've got that option activated, keep selected for our drawing path, and I've got also the edit selected paths as well activated, and you can be changing the within range from here as well. So I'm gonna go back to our brush, and I'm gonna be selecting our default one. However, if you're drawing with the pencil tool, it's gonna be using the basic option, so you don't want to choose that one for your brush. I'm gonna go back to 3-point round brush, and as you can see, we've got our shape transformed in here according to our brush selection in that area. And as you can see, you can be editing your shape same like pencil tool within 12 pixels or whatever you would like, and you can be redrawing that one same like pencil tool, and you can use the option to make it even symbol or alt key on your keyboard. That will be activating our smoothing tool like that, making our curves even smoother. And if we're drawing a shape like that one, it's not going to be closed by default, as you can see. So I'm going to deselect that one, and you will be seeing that we have an open path in here. However, if you would like to close your path while you're drawing that one, you need to be selecting your brush tool, and then I'm going to be drawing maybe a similar shape, and then pressing the alt key, and it will be closed, or option key on keyboard. And make sure to press the option key while you're nearby, or otherwise you're gonna be missing your shape. So if I'm drawing like that and I start pressing the option key, and it's gonna be closed like that, and you might need to re-edit that path according to your shape. And also you can be drawing straight lines holding the shift key first and drawing with your brush. And that's pretty much everything about the brush tool in here. You can be opening your Illustrator and start drawing around with these two tools, maybe your pencil tool and your brush tool, experimenting your free form drawing.